Hello and welcome back to Mickey Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Vader. So let's get started. Let's go with the helmet. Let's start from one side, going up with a very slight line, going up to create a sketch first, leave a space at the center and then repeat the same shape to the other side. Let's connect the tips with one line. Fill the gap. From the center, going up to create the division of the helmet. Connect the lines. Now let's draw a square shape at the center where it goes the nose. Then one eye. The second one going to a side, then up. Then from the nose to a side and at the level of the bottom of the helmet, draw two small circles and then connect them with a double line. Now, if your sketch is okay, you can remark the lines. Now let's go with the neck. Start from one point to the side to connect the small circle to that point. Let's go with the shoulder. Start on a straight line to a side, then a curved line at the edge, and then three tips to create the shape of the cape. Finish the line of the helmet. And repeat the same shape to the other side. Draw this part at the shoulder level, then let's go with the suit. From the center, draw the lines. And finish it in a tip. Add an extra line to create the thickness. And some vertical lines. Now let's go with the shoulder. Then the arm. From one point going up. Finish the shoulder. The second one, in this case with 2 straight lines. Now let's create the gloves. Do the shape of the thumb. And from this part, let's create the lightsaber. Draw a straight line from the hand to a circle, and then from this part, draw the fingers. Finish the lightsaber and also connect the last part of the hand. Let's go with the suit. Draw a square shape for the center. Where it goes the suit controls. Let's go with a belt, a square shape, then a circular line and a squarish one to create the shapes. Then keep repeating the square shapes around all the belt to create the accessories. Then a line going up for the core. The same in the other side. Keep drawing rectangular shapes. Add the buttons. Then from the side going up to finish the core. And add some extra lines around the body to create the shape of the suit. Now let's go with the second hand. Start with one finger. In this case with the first finger open to create the appearance that he is using the force. Finish the glove. Now let's go with the legs. Do the central shape first, a small line, and then two at the sides, connected them. Then one line going to a side in a diagonal shape for one leg. Then horizontal line for the boot. Finish the tip of the boot with a sharp edges. And the other leg smaller to create the appearance that one is up front and the other is at the back. Finish the design of the cape and the details in the boot. Let's go with the other part. Straight line going to a side, to a sharp edge, then going up to the belt. Finish the boot and draw the extra lines. Now let's go with the cape. From behind, draw a line going to a tip, and then what you just need to do is to create an underlay shape behind Vader to create a shape of the cape. Try to imagine that line go across so you can draw it at the same level. Going up to the level of the shoulders, so start like around here, and then going down. Add some extra lines to create more details. Finish the helmet. Now let's go with the mask. Add vertical lines in the triangular shape. And then from the sides, do lines across the mask to create a shape. Try to keep sharp edges. Keep doing it like so. Add some extra shapes around the helmet and the eyes so we can create the reflection from the lightsaber. Now from the lightsaber, going to a straight line, going up to the level of the helmet, and complete the shape in a tip. Add some extra lines in the lightsaber and also some details around the suit. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!